How to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. 2026 fix. Is the Google Play Store crashing or showing Google Play Store keeps stopping? Follow these quick fixes to solve the problem. Fix 1. Clear Play Store cache. Open Phone Settings, tap Apps, scroll and tap Google Play Store. Tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. Now reopen the Play Store and check. Fix 2. Clear data if cache doesn't work. Go to Settings, tap Apps, scroll and tap Google Play Store. Tap Storage, tap Clear Data. This will reset the Play Store but will not delete your apps. Fix 3. Force stop the app. Open Settings, tap Apps, scroll and search Google Play Store. Tap Force Stop. Reopen the Play Store. Fix 4. Update Google Play Services. Open Settings, tap Apps, find Google Play Services. Updated if an update is available. Play Store often crashes when Play Services is outdated. Fix 5. Restart your phone. Restart your device. Open the Play Store again. This fixes temporary system glitches. Quick summary: clear cache, clear data, force stop, update Google Play Services, restart phone. These steps usually fix the Google Play Store keeps stopping error on Android.